In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Trading 212. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your account on the web or the mobile app, and how to avoid the most common hiccups along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Trading 212 login page at trading212.com/login. If you're already on their website, you can simply click the Log In button in the top right corner. Prefer using your phone? Open the Trading 212 app, and you'll arrive at the same sign-in screen tailored for mobile. For convenience later, consider bookmarking the login page or keeping the app on your home screen so you can get back quickly next time. On the login screen, type the email address you used when you created your account. Then, enter your password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on, and watch out for accidental spaces at the beginning or end if you're pasting. If the page offers a Show Password option, it can help you confirm everything is typed exactly as intended before you proceed. You'll also see an option to stay signed in on the device you're using. Checking this can save you time by keeping your session active, especially on devices you trust and use regularly. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to leave this unchecked so your account isn't accessible to anyone else who uses that device. Once you're signed in, you can jump straight into your account. If you're not ready to place real trades or you want to practice a strategy, switch to the demo or practice mode. This is a risk-free environment that mirrors the real interface, making it a great way to get comfortable before using actual funds. For smoother logins in the future, try to use the same browser or device. If you frequently clear cookies, browse in incognito mode, or switch devices, you may be asked to verify your identity more often. That's normal, and it's there to protect your account. Keeping cookies enabled for Trading 212, avoiding private browsing for routine access, and sticking with a familiar device can help reduce extra prompts. A few final tips to keep things running smoothly. Make sure your internet connection is stable, keep your browser or app up to date, and always confirm you're on the official Trading 212 website or app before entering your credentials. If your login doesn't work on the first try, retype your details slowly, paying special attention to the password's capitalization. That's it. Simple, secure, and quick. Now you're ready to log in and get started.